G'day team, Petty checking in with another unboxing. This time we've got the MASTERLOCK SAFESPACE. This is a 3 combination special. So this is one of the smaller ones. I've had the bigger ones. I had actually issues with the bigger one where it had a fault with the actual combination code setting. Anyway, so that's it. It is quite weighty. It's in this tough plastic. Telling you all the things here. Very good. Then on the back, what do we got here? Some pictures, dimensions. So there's some dimensions if you're after that. Contents, very good. All 3 keys. Sony warranty. It's not valid in Australia. That's pretty funny. Some contact details. Yeah, righto, it's an American one. Made in China. Amazing. MASTERLOCK vault. So yes, these things would be pretty easy to bust into if you really wanted to. Guess it's only to keep honest people out. So let's have a look. This plastic is always really tough to get through, so we'll give it a bit of a chop. Just gotta be careful, this stuff. The plastic offcuts is bloody sharp. Well, that should get us in. So I really recommend these Black Panther snibs, shears. These will pretty much get through anything. They're tough as. These are taking an absolute belt from chopping trees and gardening rubbish, smashing through cans, whatever you want. I recommend these. It's bloody awesome. Nice hard feel to the handle. They will give you a blister if you got office boy hands. Super good quality. These have held up for a long time. Smooth action. You can see it's got a pretty good bite on the blade. They're top quality. And it's got like a slight serration to that edge, which you can feel as you crimp them down. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these guys. They've taken an absolute belt and they just keep going. Righto, so let's have a bit of a look. What do we got? What do we got? Lock. Yeah, blah blah blah. Hard plastics, just like the product's marketing cardboard. Then we got the lock itself. It's like it does feel like a metal. It's got like a kind of a matte finish, almost like sandblasted finish, I would say. You got that MASTERLOCK there, which is embossed, painted black. You got this thing, maybe. Meh. That's pretty flimsy. It's not massive. It's got that outer. It's kind of like a plasticky coating, so it probably doesn't rust or mark anything you want to jam it onto. On the back, it's got some instructions book, and it's got like this foam felt, a bit squishy. You got your hinges, fit and finish on that, it's a bit rough. Same, you can see casting marks marked up already, so the edges are a bit shit on that. You can see there, it's not great, but they are cheap. I don't think they're too serious as far as security. So what do we got? Instruction only. Righto. Rotate the dials. Current combination. 000. Push the door, open it, set a new combination. So we got that latch there, set it to what you want. The actual release of the U-bolt. Amazing. Right, so let's have a look. So I reckon that flap comes down. How does that work? There we go, that's super tough. So you can see that's got like that plastic rubbery stuff with the 45 to sit in that recess channel. It's rubbery, so I can see that busting off. It feels pretty flimsy. These are springy, set to 001, so that just goes, you can see that seat back down in that channel. Oh yeah, that's cool. So it won't come off too easy, that's alright. To get it off, you really have to get your finger under there and bust it off. So the combination factory was set to 000, then that should, yeah, it just flings open. So it's all cheap casts. You can see there's still cast marks on there. So it's not great quality, but for the price, who cares? Looks like that's manufacturing date there. So it's an oldie. Hinge pins. So you got a bit of flex in that. It is easy to open and close. There's a bit of wobble in that. Very good. So to set it, we're gonna move that gate pin, this one here, I think, and then up. So that lever there will set down here, so you push across the left and then up. So let's see if we can change that. So it was set to 000. Let's go 1, 2, Z. The 2 looks like a Z. 1, 2, 3. How's that? So you set your new combo. It was 000, so now we've got 1, 2, 3. Then you go back to that, and that lever down, just back to the right. So just pull it down. It's like a gate. It just goes bang across itself. We close that. I think I'm holding a bit of force with that dooring because it wants to sit like that. So I don't know if that's going to work. We'll try it. Okay, that did hold it. So you have to push that down because it's got like a bit of tension pushing away. Push it down, spin up your code. So it was 1, 2, 3. I've changed it to 4, so it should be in lock. So it is locked. So let's go back to 1, 2, 3. Bingo. So that works. Okay, that's all right. It's not really that big. I guess if you're looking at just like a standard key, yeah, so you'll be able to jam one of those in there easy. These guys from Ambassador, lovely dudes. If you're around the Hunter, I'd definitely recommend Ambassador Locksmiths. They're bloody brilliant. Go and see Gordon and Francois. They'll definitely be able to sort you out for anything to do with keys, locks, security, safes. Just beautiful people. Righto team, so that is the master lock, the mini one. So you got to just push it in a bit, spin that, 4, and it locks. Push it down. So that's amazing. Righto team, I hope you have an awesome day.